Hi, second graders. Today we're going to review money. All right, so get a handful of coins, real or pretend, and sort them on the mat. I found a combination of real and fake coins so that we can sort them. All right, this one, you can see that, is a dime. Dimes are worth 10 cents. I'm gonna find all of my dimes in here. They're a smaller silver coin. Dimes. Some of them look a little different because they're made by two different companies, but there's some fake dimes. All right, next let's see, pennies. This one's a different color. Those stand out to me. Here's all the pennies. Those are all real pennies. There's a real penny, so they can get dirty. Oh, there's a fake penny. Here's all of the pennies. Ooh, that one even got chopped off a little bit. Interesting. All right, let's see. Next we have nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. Here's our nickel. There's the fake one. You can sort of see that. All right, nickels. Nickels are worth 5, and quarters are worth 25. I found some real quarters and some fake quarters. Here they are. All right, quarters are worth 25. Nickels are worth 5. Pennies are worth 1, and dimes are worth 10. So just a quick review about how much the coins are worth, and then you can also use these coins to help you with our next activity. All right, so you have a paper that looks like this. Make sure that you pause the video, work independently on solving number 1. You're going to determine who has more between Miss Cahoon and Miss Stephanie. So here's Miss Cahoon's column, here's Miss Stephanie's column, here's number 1. So you're just looking just the top part right here. Here's number 1. Miss Cahoon has $1.39. Miss Stephanie has 3 quarters, 5 dimes, 1 nickel, 4 pennies. Who has more money and how do you know? Okay, so working on number 1, solving independently. Pause the video, work independently, and press play when you finish number 1. Okay, so if you've pressed play, that means that you've solved number 1 independently and you're ready to discuss it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. All right, so who has more, Miss Cahoon or Miss Stephanie? Well, I know Miss Cahoon has $1.39. How much does Miss Stephanie have? So I'm going to take my quarters that I used earlier. 1, 2, 3 quarters. Let's see, 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 dimes and 1 nickel. 1 nickel and 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how much does Miss Stephanie have? So we can count this up. I wonder how you counted it up. There's different ways that you can add these together. One way I'm thinking of is drawing what I have right here on my paper. Let's see. I'm going to draw in like a quick sort of drawing format. So instead of the coins, let's see, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and write 25 inside. These circles with the 25 inside are just representing my quarters. There's my 3 quarters. Okay. Let's see. I personally like to start counting the larger amount first. So let's see. There's lots of different ways I can do this. Let's see. Let's do 25 and 25. Let's see. 25 plus 25 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. Move the 10 to the tens place. 2 and 2 is 4 plus 1 more is 5. 50 cents. That's for 2 quarters. If I add 1 more quarter, 50 cents plus 25 cents. Let's see, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 75 cents. So this is going to equal 75 cents. Okay. Now my dimes, I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 cents. A way to show my thinking there is I can write on top or down below my counting out loud. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 50 cents. Okay. Let's see, my nickel and my 4 pennies. I can add that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be 9 cents. Okay, so I'm going to add these two together first. 75 plus 50 is equal to 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 125 cents. Okay, 125 cents plus, now I have to add the 9 cents. Let's see, 125, let's make a new equation. 125 cents plus 9 cents equals 9 plus 5 is 14. Bring the 1 up above. 2 and 1 is 3. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So Miss Stephanie has 134 cents. What does that mean in relationship to Miss Calhoun's $1.39? Well, from review, you remember we can turn 134 cents into $1.34. We can exchange some of these. Let's use our coins to exchange some. If we have 25 and 25, we said was 50, and adding one more 25, that made 75 cents. And I'm going to count on with my tens. 75, 85, 95. 95 plus 5 more would make $1. There's $1 in coins. And then if I have, let's see, so do I have any? Oh, I do have dollars. I could technically exchange these coins away, and there's $1. So there's $1, and let's see, 34 cents. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. $1.34. So I write it with the dollar symbol, 1 decimal point 34. The decimal point separates the dollars from our cents. All right, so if Miss Calhoun has $1.39 and Miss Stephanie has $1.34, who has more? Miss Calhoun does. So I'm going to circle Miss Calhoun. And I want to explain it. Explain how you know using pictures, numbers, and words. Here's some pictures, here's some numbers, but I don't have my words yet. So let me think of a sentence. I know Miss
Calhoun has more than Miss Stephanie because Miss Calhoun has 39 cents and Miss Stephanie only has 34 cents. 39 is larger than 34. They both had $1. How can you challenge yourself? Try solving your problem a different way.
See, is there another way that you can solve it? So if you solved using coins one way, try using equations another way. Adding sentences, you're sort of explaining what you're doing as you're solving. So like what I just said out loud to you, I can also write down into words on the side. Really push yourself to see how you can solve using multiple ways of explaining your thinking. All right, your job is to finish solving problems 2 and 3 independently, remembering to explain how you know using pictures, numbers, and words, and challenge yourself. Have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.